Hi, this is Richard from SleepHaven giving you a home health tip. Sorry for laughing, but the last time we tried to do this, someone rang and I swore, so apologies. Anyway, quick one. Grease in your filters on extractor fans. Best thing, they're all clogged up and back to front, and it's not very pleasant at all. So what we're going to do to clean them, and this is the best stuff that I've found, is this Zinza Universal Degreaser and Cleaner. Excellent bit of stuff, great bit of kit, really gets rid of it. I've used it before on kitchen ceilings, when just prior to decorating, to get rid of the grease, etc. But it's great for ovens and for these extractors. So all I'm going to do, give that a quick spray now. I think already you can start to see how it's breaking that grease down. I'm going to put that in the sink there and leave it. Do the same with that one. Going to leave that in the sink to soak, and then we'll show you the results. Give that about half an hour, something like that, and we'll have a look at them then. It's about 20-30 minutes since we put these filters, degreased them with the Universal Zinza, and I think you can quite clearly see the difference that it's made to these. It's removed all the grease, and then all we've done, once we've let them just soak in the in the Zinza for a little bit, we've then just flushed them through in hot water, and the grease has just fallen off. So nice and clean, ready to be fitted back. So my tip is get yourself some of this, probably in a decorator's shop or DIY store, and it's the Zinza Degreaser and Cleaner. That's a little tip for you. Right, if we can help with any cleaning, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, or if you're a landlord, end of tenancy cleaning, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. Take care.